watch as much television as you can. That doesn't have to be linear television. I'm not going to pre-subscribe any particular program that should be watched, but watch anything and everything that you can. There is nothing worse than meeting someone who says they want to work in television and then when you ask them what they like and they don't know. So that would be number one. The second thing would be to watch the credits like a hawk. I used to, when I was working my way through, I would literally be able to cross-reference who had worked on what show and what that meant and which producer was interested in what. And then when you find someone's name that comes up repeatedly on programs that you have liked, I mean, not just today, but back in the archives, then go find them and tell them that, why you love their work. No one likes a meeting with anyone more than someone saying, I really love that show that you made 5 years ago. So I would say do your homework. Do your homework in watching, do your homework in researching.